Let us discuss some problems based on the identities which is related to the x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube. Now we are going to discuss a problem seventh one. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. First one is 99 whole cube, second one is 102 whole cube, third one is 998 whole cube. Here 99 means its nearest tens, that is 100. So we can write it as 99 is equal to 100 minus whole cube. Here 102 is nearest tens, that is 100. 100 plus 2 whole cube. 998, it is also nearest hundreds, that is 1000 minus 2 whole cube. For these three problems, the identities are suitable to one is x plus y whole cube, that is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, or x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Second one is x minus y whole cube equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, that is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y minus into minus plus 3xy square. Here the first problem 99 whole cube, it can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Why? Because 99 whole cube is difficult to find out 99 into 9 into 9. When we are using the identities, we are getting in the simple way. 100 means it is the x, 1 is y. Here, write in the identity which one is suitable, the second one is suitable. That is x minus y whole cube. X cube, that is 100 whole cube. Y cube, minus 1 whole square. Minus 3 into x is 100, y is 1, into x is 100 minus y is 1. Now 100 whole cube means that is it has 2 zeros, then after the cubing we are getting 6 zeros. Okay, that is 10 lakhs minus 1 minus 3 into 100, 300 into 99. 100 minus 1 is 99, is equal to 10 lakh minus 1 means 99,999. 10 lakh means 9,99,999. It is minus 1 means we are getting 6 nines. Next, minus 2 zeros. 3 nines are 27. 2 is the carry. 3 nines are 27, 29. Subtract it. It's 2 zeros. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. It's 9. 9,70,299. It is equal to 99 whole cube. Okay. Second one, that is 102 whole cube. That is equal to 100 plus 2 whole cube. In this, we are using the first identity, that is x plus y whole cube, that is x cubed 100 whole cube plus 2 cubed plus 3xy, 3 into 100 into 2, again x plus y, 100 plus 2, is equal to 100 whole cube means we get 6 zeros. 10 lakh plus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 3 to the 6 into 100, 600 to 102 is equal to 10 lakhs plus 8 plus 2 zeros, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 61,200 is equal to 10,61,208 is the answer. Third one, 998 whole cube. It can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. 1000 whole cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 into 1000 minus 2 is equal to 1000 whole cube means we are getting 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Minus 3 to the 6, 6 into 1000, 6000 to 998 is equal to 10,000 lakhs, 100 crores. This 100 crores minus 8 minus 3 zeros, 8 6 are 48, 4, 9 6 are 54, plus 4, 58, 5, 9 6 are 54 plus 5, 59. Here it is 59 lakh 88,000 is equal to 100 crore minus 59 lakh 88,008. Subtract. Borrow 299,110,499. 99 crore 40 lakh 11,992 is the answer. Eighth one, factorize each of the following. The first problem is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Second one, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. First and second both are same, just what is the change? The signs are changed for the b variable. B having the odd degree, then those terms are having the negative term. So it is suitable to x minus y whole cube, that is nothing but a minus b whole cube, like that. It is all terms are positive means that related to the identity x plus y whole cube. It is also negatives are there, just it is in the form of x minus y whole cube. Here also negatives are there. Just to be concentrate to what are the terms in related to x and y. Third one, 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Fourth one, 64a cube minus 27 b cube minus 144a square b plus 108 ab square. Fifth one, 27 p cube minus 1 by 216 minus a by 2 p square 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. When you get or when you perfect on the cubes and the square roots, then you are getting easily. We know that the cube roots of 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube equal to 27, 4 cube equal to 64. Just you check out. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, again 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Next, 8. It says 4 cube is 64, 8 cube equal to, just 8 8 is 64, 64 8 is, you check out, 8 4 is 32, 3 8 6 is 48, 512, like that. Just so you can check out. Here 216 is there. Here 64 is there. 64 means we can write it as 4 cube. 27 means 3 cube. And 125, then that is nothing but 5 cube. 5 cube equal to 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. This is 5 into 5 into 5. Next see 6 cube. 6 6 is 36, 36 6 is 36 6 is 6 6 is 36, 3 3 6 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 216. Okay, this is 216. It is the 6 cube. 125. It is the 5 cube. 8 2 cube. 27 3 cube. 64 4 cube. When you have an idea of the 8th standard cubes, cube roots, and squares, square roots, then you can easily to identify when we can observe the number it is related to the cube. Why? Because here we are discussing the identities in the cube, that is x minus y whole cube formula, that is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. It is the identity. Just here observe the middle two terms. By having the odd degree, then those two terms are having negative terms. So this is related to x minus y whole cube, but x and y terms are different. It is also related to x minus y whole cube. The last four related to x minus y whole cube only. Only the first one are all terms are positive, means it is related to the x plus y whole cube. It is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Now I am taking the first problem, that is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Here completely by observing this, we can write it as 8 means 2a whole cube plus b whole cube plus, right here in the form of identity, that is 3 into a is 2a, b is b, or 3a square b plus 3ab square. Just so you check out, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 a cube, it's okay, b cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 a square b, it's okay. 3 2s are 6, a b square. It's clearly in the form of x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, from this we can write it as x plus y whole cube. So here we can write it as 2a plus b whole cube. It is the solution. Okay. The second problem, 8a square minus 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. It is similar to that only. It is equal to 2a whole cube minus b cube minus 3a is 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square. So it's clearly in the form of x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square is equal to x minus y whole cube. By that identity, we can write it as 2a minus b whole cube. It is the answer. Third one, 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Just here we know that 27 is already we discussed, that is 3 cube. 3 whole cube minus 125 means 5a whole cube. Then 5a into 5a into 5a, we are getting 125a cube minus 3 a square is 3 square to b is 5a plus 3 into a is 3, b is 5a whole square. Just again you check out. It is 27, okay. It's 5a whole cube means 125. Here 5 3s are 15, 15 9s are 9 5s are 45, 4 carry, 9 1s are 135. It's clear. Next 3 3s are 9, 9 25s are. It's 225. It is also clear. The terms are same we are getting. Here what is x? 3 is x. What is y? 5a. So this is 3 minus 5a whole cube. From which we are getting this one? X cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. It is equal to x minus y whole cube. You do homework. Fourth one. The fifth problem is 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4p. Again here 27 is 3 cube is 27, so 3p whole cube minus 1 by 216. 216 means it is the 6 cube. So it is 1 by 6 whole cube minus 3a square. A square means 3p whole square. B is 1 by 6 plus 3a is 3p. B square is 1 by 6 whole square. Just again you check out. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27p cube. It's okay. 1 by 6 whole cube means it's 2. 1 by 216. It's okay. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Here 3 3s are 9, p square by 2. It's clear. Here 3 3s are 9. Here 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 means 3 3s are 3 2s are. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So it's 1 by 4p. It's clear. So we can write it is in x minus y. 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. This is also suitable to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square equal to x minus y whole cube. For each and every problem, you should write what identity we are using. Okay. Ninth problem. Verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Second one, x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. For observing these two, just the left side we cannot split, the right side, if we apply the from the distribution law and expand it, simplify it, if you get the left hand side terms or not, just that is the verification. The first one, to verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Here we are taking right hand side terms, that is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Apply the left or right distribution law only. Any distribution we can take. X into I'm taking the left distribution la x into x square minus xy plus y square plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now again up multiply x into x square is x cube minus x into xy is minus x square y plus into minus minus. Next plus into plus is plus xy square plus into plus plus yx square plus into minus minus xy square plus into plus plus y into y square is y cube. Now here observe plus minus x square y plus x square y plus xy square minus xy square. It is equal to x cube plus y cube. This is equal to left hand side terms. So it's verified. RHS is equal to LHS. The second one is also RHS is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square is equal to, from the distributive law, x into x square plus xy plus y square minus y into x square plus xy plus y square using the distributive law. Next again multiply by the distributive law only. X into x square is x cube plus x into xy is x square y plus x into y square is xy square. Next these are multiply with negative means all three terms are getting negative. Minus yx square minus xy square minus y cube. Same x square y minus x square y, xy square minus xy square get cancelled, getting x cube minus y cube. This is equal to LHS. Therefore verified. Okay. Next, 10th problem. 10th one, factorize each of the following. The first one is 27y cube plus 125 z cube. Second one is 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. See here, just you observe it. These two are based on the above verified formulas only. What are the verified formulas? Just again you can recall that. And you take those verified terms or verified relations, you take it as a formula, that is x cube plus y cube. It is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. It is taking as a one formula. X cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Just for y minus y cube means the one factor is x minus y, the second factor having the positives. In the first one, this only middle term is minus. Just you remember that one. Here the first question, what is that? 27y cube plus 125 z cube. We know that 3 cube is equal to 27, 5 cube equal to 125. Just we can write it as it is equal to 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube. What is this? Here it is related to x cube plus y cube. Okay, what is the formula of x cube plus y cube? X plus y. What is x? 3y. What is y? 5z. So 3y plus 5z into 3y whole square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z whole square. Okay, it is equal to 3y plus 5z into 3y whole square means 3 3s are 9y square minus 3 5s are 15 yz plus 5 5s are 25z square. These two are the factors from the terms of 27y cube plus 125z cube. It's very, very important. Next, second one. 64m cube minus 343 n whole cube. 64 means we know that 4 cube equal to 64. What is the 343? 7 cube? 7 cube. Just you check out. 7 7 are 49, 49 7 are 63, 6 28 plus 6, 343. Okay. So 7 cube. Here we can write it as 4m whole cube minus 7n whole cube. And again applying the form x cube minus y cube equal to x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared. Here, what is x, what is y? X equal to 4m, y equal to 7n. Just you keep in your mind. Just we can write in the place of x 4m, in the place of y 7n. Here 4m minus 7n into 4m whole square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n whole square equal to 4m minus 7n into 4 4s are 16m square plus 7 4s are 28mn plus 4 4s are 49n square. These two are factors. Okay. 12th problem. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z is the one factor. Another one is x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Okay. 13th one, based on the 12th only we can prove that if x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This you observe with the above relation verification. In the place of x plus y plus z is equal to 0, the right hand side total term will become 0. Then the left side, what are the terms are there? Negative. That term is taken to right side. Then we get the x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This minus 3xyz taken to right side. This is the formula for the cube of the three numbers when we can find out the product or the simplification. Just to sum of the cube's summation of the numbers is equal to product of those three numbers with the 3 multiple. Okay. Here we can take the right hand side for the 12th solution. We can take right hand side terms, that is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z. Expand using the identity x minus y whole square, x square minus 2xy plus y square. The same way, y square minus 2yz plus z square plus z square minus 2zx plus x square, and multiply with x, y, z. 1 by 2 is right outside. X cube minus 2x square y plus xy square. First of all, we can simplify it. One by 2 into x plus y plus z into x terms are 2 x terms, 2x square, y terms 2, 2y square, z terms 2, 2z square, minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. 2 is taking common in the numerator factor of all, then this common 2 and the denominator to get cancelled. X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. In all terms, 2 taking common, 2 get cancelled. Here now we can multiply with x, multiply with y, multiply with z. X into x, x cube plus xy square plus xz square minus x square y minus xyz minus x square z. Next, plus multiply with y, y cube, y into y cube, the yx square, y x square plus y x square. So next to yz square, it's no plus yz square. Next, minus xy square minus xy square minus y square z minus y square z minus xyz. Next, multiply with z, zx square here plus zx square plus zy square plus zy square plus z cube minus zxy or xyz plus minus yz square minus yz square minus xz square minus xz square. Here plus xz square minus xz square cancel, minus x square y plus x square y cancel, minus x square z plus x square z cancel, plus yz square minus yz square, and here plus xy square minus xy square minus y square z plus y square z cancel. All cancel, only cube terms are there. Those are x cube plus y cube plus z cube and minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3xyz. Therefore, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Write in order x, y, z, x minus y minus z, z minus x. Individual squares difference. Next, it's over. The 12th one is verified. It's verified. The 13th one is if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then to prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz, we can take the relation. We know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Given that what they have given x plus y plus z is equal to 0, substitute in above relation. Then it should be 0. 0 into something is 0. We get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0. From this, we can, taking 3xyz term, taking to right side or transpose, getting x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. It's important. Next, 14th one. It is related to, the 14th problem is related to 13th relation. 14th, without actually calculating the cubes, Find the value of each of the following. The first question, minus 12 whole square plus 7, minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Second one is 28 whole cube plus of minus 15 whole cube plus of minus 13 whole cube. Okay, just so you can see the above relation. What is, we have the relation x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This relation we are using for these two without calculating the actual cubes. The first one is minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. It is equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. 12 3s are 36, 7 5s are 35. You product it, it is equal to minus 5 6s are 33, 15, 180, 18, 1, 3 3s are 9, 10. It's 1260 is the cube of terms, the sum of the cubes of the minus 12, 7, 5. The second one is 28 whole cube plus of minus 15 whole cube plus of minus 13 whole cube. Write in 3, x is 28, y is minus 15, z is minus 13. Minus into minus plus. Okay, you product these 4. Write the answer. Okay, here 28 3s are 8 3s are 24, 2, 3 2s are 6, 84 into 13 5s are 65, 6, 13 1s are 13 plus 6, 195. Multiply with 4 5s are 22, 4 9s are 36, 38, 3 4 1s are 4, 7, 8 5s are 40, 8 9s are 72, 76, 8 1s are 8, 15, 0, 8, 13, 6, 16,380 is the product of the sum of the cubes of the numbers 28 minus 15 minus 30. Okay. 15th one. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Area is, first one, area is area of rectangle equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 2. Second rectangle area is 35y square plus 13y 12. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Okay, here just we know that the area of the rectangle, what is the formula? Area of rectangle equal to length and breadth product, length into breadth. Okay, that is nothing but we can split into factors. Then one factor is the length and another factor is the breadth. Here we can take 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Here it can be written as 25 into 12, 12 5s are 60, 6, 12 2s are 24 plus 6, 300. 25 12s are 300. We can find out the 300 factors. 2 150s are 2, 75, 5, 15, 5, 3. Okay, here 35, how we are getting 35 means 15 and 20. 15, 20 is a 300. So this minus 35 can be written as 20 minus 15. It is equal to 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12 by the splitting the factors. Is equal to, from the first two terms taking common 4a, then okay 5a, not 4a, so 5a. Why? Because 5 is a common factor. 5a, then remaining is 5a minus 4. In this, minus 3 is taking common, 3 5 is a 15a minus 3 4 is a 12. It is equal to 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. So, area of the rectangle can be split into two factors, that is 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. Then, in this, one is length equal to 5a minus 4 and breadth equal to 5a minus 3. This is the length and breadth. Second one, 35y square plus 13y minus 12 equal to 35 12 12 5 is 66, 12 3 is 36 plus 6 42. 420 factors. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 0. 3 70s, 3 7s are 21. 2 35s, 7 5s. Okay. Here 7 2s are 14, 14. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 10 3s are 30, 30. 7 2s are 14, 14. It's no. 7 3s are 21. It's 20. No. 28. 7 4s are 28. 15. 15, which means 13 we are getting. So it can be written as 35y square minus plus 28y minus 15y minus 12 is equal to, taking common 7, 7y common, 5y, 7 5 is 35, 7 4 is 24, 4 minus 3 common, 3 5 is 15, 5y plus 4. So it is equal to 5y plus 4 into 7y minus 3. It is equal to length and breadth. So length is equal to 5y plus 4, breadth equal to 7y minus 3. It is the solution. The last problem in this exercise, 16th one, what are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids? Cuboids means that is length, breadth, height. Three are different, whose volumes are given below. Volume is nothing but, we know that volume formula is, it is equal to LBH, length into breadth into height. So the first one, the volume they have given, volume is equal to 3x square minus 12x. In this, just you can observe, it can be written as 3 into x minus 3 4s are 12 into x. 3 and x both are common. 3x, remaining term is x minus 4. Here we can write it as LBH, means we can say that one is length, one is breadth, one is height. Length is 3, breadth is x, and height is equal to x minus 4. Okay. Whose volumes are given below. Find the dimensions. Those are the dimensions. The second problem is volume is equal to 12k y square plus 8k y minus 20k. This you can observe. Here 12 can be written as 4 into 3 into k into y square plus 8 can be written as 4 into 2 into k into y. 20, 4 5s are 20 into k. So what is the common? 4k is common. So 4k is taking common. The remaining 3y square plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 4k. Here 3y square plus 2y minus 5 can be written as 3 5s are 15. 5 minus 3 is 2. So it is 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 4k into 3, no, y common, 3y plus 5 minus 1 common, 3y plus 5 is equal to 4k is the one side, y minus 1 is the another side, the 3y plus 5 is the one edge. That is nothing but we can take it is equal to LBH, means we can take it as one of the factor is length equal to 4k. You can take any one of the factor, that is no bother about the values. One is length, one is breadth, one is height. 3y plus 4. Why? Because that is measuring values for giving of the variables to y. So this is the procedure.